Hey guys, and welcome back. Today is the day to announce the giveaway winner. Last night we randomly selected our winner. First off, I would like to start off by thanking everyone who participated. I'd like to thank Lasfit for your continued support and helping us put this giveaway together. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. In the future, there will be more content coming, more giveaways coming. So I'm just going to roll the clip real quick. I'm not going to make a long video out of this. Show everyone who won. Completely randomly selected. There was about 150 some odd people who participated, which was great. So it was more than double the first giveaway. Hopefully the next one will be more than double this one. So let's roll that clip and we'll go from there.
Okay, here we go, guys. We're about to pick our winner. Here's our list of names all the way over here. I'm going to scroll down that we can see all the names. Make sure everybody's in there. Okay, now that everyone's in there, I'm gonna shuffle, that way it's fair. Okay, good luck everyone, here we go. We'll just put the volume up, there we go. And the winner is Cheerio. Congratulations.
So I'd like to start off by saying congratulations, Cheerio. Basically, all you have to do now is respond in the comments to this video with your email, and I will contact you through my personal email with all the information you need. I'll give you that promo code so you can order your free set. They'll ship directly to you. So once again, congratulations, Cheerio. Thanks for your support. And guys, remember to like the video if you can, share it, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.